Good afternoon, cadets. First, we have public speaking by two cadets.
Morning everyone, my name is Aryan Malik and today I'm going to tell you a moral story.
Now, again, the light has gone. Nothing can be done.
Morning everyone, my name is Aryan Malik and today I'm going to tell you a moral story. The crocodile and the monkey. Once there was a crocodile and a monkey. They were both friends. The monkey used to give the crocodile some fruits from the tree he lived on. The crocodile in return used to take him 2 trips on the sea. One day the crocodile decided to take some fruits for his wife. The crocodile told the monkey that please give me some extra fruits today and I want to give them to my wife that she can taste them. Then the monkey said yes, of course, and gave some fruits to him on the way back. Then the crocodile gave it to his wife and his wife ate it. The wife found it very delicious and then wondered that the monkey who gave the crocodile fruits gave so delicious fruits, then the monkey who eats them himself would be the most delicious appetite ever. Then the crocodile's wife told the crocodile to go home, rest for now, and go tomorrow to the monkey's house and ask him to come with him. Then the crocodile went to the monkey's tree, and then the crocodile asked the monkey to come on his back and go for a trip. On the way on the trip, the crocodile told monkey his evil plans. The crocodile was actually not evil, but then the monkey told that, oh, this was the plan after all. Then you should have told me beforehand. I left my most delicious organ, my heart, on the tree itself. Let's return to the tree and I'll get my heart, then we can go. The fool crocodile went to the tree again with the monkey. The monkey went on the tree and teased crocodile. Ha ha ha, you fool! How can a person leave its heart on the tree? Or else would I be alive? The crocodile thought and then felt sorry about his plans. The end, use your brain in whichever situation, either very dangerous or a normal. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Karishada Ashogrimani, roll number 506 from 7th C. Today, I go to tell a story. The title of the story is Hungry Dogs. Three dogs lived in a city. They were very close friends. One day, all three dogs were very hungry. They started searching for food, but they could not find anything. At last, they found a bone lying in the water. They tried hard to get it but failed. One of them thought that if we became able to drink all the water, we could definitely get that bone. They started drinking water. Even when their stomachs were full, they did not stop drinking water, which caused their stomachs to burst and they died. The moral of the story is that we should not try an impossible task in a foolish manner.
Thank you, cadets. Now we have a grammar session. The topic of the day is articles. There are three articles in English: article a and the. Article a and are indefinite articles. Article the is definite article. You must be wondering why article a and are called indefinite articles and article the is called definite articles. So it is time to find out why article a and are indefinite and article the is definite. Article the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. That is why it is called definite article. Article a and is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. That is why they are called indefinite articles. Definite means clear, exact, obvious about something. That is why article the is called definite article, because it is used in relation to a particular thing or person. It refers to particular nouns and the identities of which are known. The definite article indicates that the noun is specific and the speaker is talking about a particular thing or a person. Example is, the cat sat on the couch. No other cat is being referred. It is the cat which is sitting on the couch is being referred. That is why it is a particular cat. Second example is talking about the dog which attacked me, not any other dog. The dog attacked me and ran away. Indefinite article. Indefinite, the meaning is not clear, not obvious, not exact. That is why article a and an, they are indefinite articles, because the noun is not someone or something in particular. It talks about any thing or any person. The speaker talks about any one of that type of things. That is why it is called indefinite articles. Example, do you have a pencil? So I want a pencil for some work. I'm not talking about any specific pencil. I just want a pencil. I want to have an apple. So apple, any apple. We can use a and the before nouns that we want to introduce. A person, a place, a thing. We can use article a and the. Article A is used before consonant sounds. So there are 21 consonants in English. You should know that. Which are the 21 consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 21 consonants in English, and before them we generally use article a boy, a bird, a school, a dog. Even before vowel letters which don't have a vowel sound. Now there is some exception in the rule. If the pronunciation of the word does not stand like that, then we use a European. So U sound is coming. So we are using a unit, a union. Some words start with vowels but begin with consonant sounds. So we use a before. University, your sound is coming. So it is university. Then O is a vowel, but V sound is coming. A 1 rupee. V sound is coming. We are not saying onion, we say O. Then it is O sound is coming. But here O is a vowel, but the sound when we speak, it comes V. A 1 rupee, V. 1 rupee note. That is why article A is used. So there are some exceptions to the rule also. We use a before words that begin with consonant. So general rule is with consonants we use article a girl, a clock, a lamp. But exceptions we have spoken about. There are some exceptions also. An is generally used with vowels, and in English there are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. An idiot, an apple, an orange. Yes, we say all these are 5 vowels, and before vowel sounds we use an. Again, there is exception. What is the exception? When H is silent. An hour. I'll come within an hour. I will not say I'll come with an hour. So H is silent. So we say I will come in an hour because O is a vowel and H may be a consonant, but H is silent. So we are using an hour. We don't say honest person. We say he is an honest man. Honest man. So that is why H is silent, O is a vowel, so we use an. So generally we use an with vowel sounds, but there are exceptions. We use an before vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, but there are exceptions. When H is silent, we use an. An orange, an umbrella, an eye. The is used before unique things. They are the one and only things in that the sun, the sky, the moon. So before unique things, article the is used. Before the name of mountains, rivers, oceans, the Ganga or the Ganges, we call in English Ganges. Otherwise, it is Ganga. The Sahara, the Pacific, then before the holy books, Ramayan, Gita, Mahabharat, so we say the Bible, the Ramayan, the Quran. So before the names of holy books also, article the is used. Then before superlative degree, degrees of comparison, positive, comparative, superlative. So before superlative degree, we use article the best, the tallest, the cleverest, the most intelligent. So superlative degree. Then we use it before musical instruments, the flute, the violin. Then before an adjective to denote the whole class. Children, understand this. The old should be helped. That means the whole class of old people should be helped. We are not talking about one single old man. We are talking about the whole old people, all the old people. So when the it denotes the whole class of people at that time, we use article the.
Ma'am, now math class is
Good
there.
morning, ma'am.
We use the when there is one particular thing, that is the sky, the world, at that time also the stars. We use article the moon, unique things, the one and only things. Omission of article. So when we don't use articles before the names of relation, we don't say he is the father of my, we don't say. So before names of relations, we don't use articles father, uncle, sister. Before the names of material, the gold, the silver, the diamond, we don't say a gold, we don't say. Before the name of people or uh, places. We'll not say the Asha madam teaches English. No, Asha madam only we will say because I am particular. Or I will not say the Aryan Malik is my student because Aryan himself is particular person. There is no requirement of another article also. Before languages, Tamil, Hindi, English, before abstract nouns, honesty, wisdom, truth, we don't add articles before them. They are omitted. before certain phrase. We don't say at the noon, at noon, by train, on foot. So once again, I would like to read this slide. We don't use articles before the names of relations, before the names of material, before proper nouns, before abstract nouns, before languages, and before certain phrases like at noon, by train, on foot. When we talk about something that has already been referred to in a prior sentence, the is used. A cat got in the fight with our dog yesterday. The dog won the battle. Purchased another house at Lokhandwala. The house is over top expensive. When the nouns are already known to the user and the user is already aware of the thing you are talking about, in such places, instead of describing the thing, since it is already known, for example, Michael is wearing a suit at the party. In case the person already knows about the party, which other person is referring to the sentence, we use the party. So, when a particular thing is referred to, we always use article the. With unique items like the sun, the moon, the Bermuda Triangle, we use article the. With superlative degree also, we use article the most irritating individual, the best, the tallest, the most intelligent. So, with superlative degree also, we use article the. Before adjective as noun. If you are talking about some advice or duty, we use the. The fortune favors the best. Brave is used as noun and adjective. Proper nouns, with proper nouns. Yes, now I told you, you cannot say the Asha madam, the Aryan Malik, but there are some places where we use when we say the USSR, the United States of America. In such places, we definitely use article
Ma'am,
the.
ma'am's class has started, ma'am.
Thank you.